What's up, everybody, and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Molly. I'm half of the usual West Coasters duo. Today I'm taking a little self-care day, self-care morning. I'm back at Universal Studios Hollywood. We haven't been here in months. I have been missing this place. I've been thinking about it a lot, and I thought I would just take a few hours to see what's going on. We're getting to the end of the Halloween season, and even though Halloween Horror Nights isn't totally our jam, I still wanted to get here and get a little taste of what it's like here during the day during Halloween season. Actually, Halloween is tomorrow, so I've made it just in the nick of time, but I thought a really good way to kind of kick off this self-care day would be to hop on the tram tour. It is still literally, in my opinion, the best thing to do here at the park. And it's chill, because really, you're just sitting there in a squishy little seat for about an hour. So let's hop on the tram tour and enjoy ourselves.
Folks, we have the studio tour right this way. Have fun!
These are divers out there. It's okay, our diver's been trained. Sure, he knows what to do in this situation. Always creepy in Jupiter's Plane.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Okay, the tram tour is always poppin', but I gotta say, that Fast and Furious part near the end, it's fun, but it's so ridiculous, and I can't help but laugh at every single one of those moments, every single one of those characters. I know it's supposed to be kind of funny and weird, but yeah, always makes me laugh. All right, tram tour of the morning complete, check. Let's head to Hogsmeade. It might be the day before Halloween, but it's always winter in Hogsmeade. I can't think of many places that are much better for mental health than Hogsmeade. I mean, maybe besides the big one, you know, Disneyland, but this just does it for me. Oh, wow. Oh, I love this Stein. Oh my gosh. This thing's awesome and it's huge. Okay. Who else is excited for Christmas? I know we are. Haven't decided which new ornaments we want to get this year. I think we've got that one. Yeah, they're all so good. All right, I got my little Harry Potter fix, but now it's around lunchtime. I'm starving. Self-care days would not be complete without something delicious, at least in my book. So it's getting pretty busy, so I'm thinking maybe heading back out to City Walk. That is pretty sick. This guy, he knows how to party. Look at all of that HHN party goodness. Yeah, we will do this one year. Just not this year. That's okay. There he goes. Oh, here comes Scooby-Doo. Oh, he's ready for his shift. He's bopping. Ah! He's so cute. You're so perfect. You're ready. You're ready to have a good day. Oh, scary, I know. There's Frankenstein. You're gonna be okay. Look who I found. Oh, this is your time of year, my friend. Thank you. Okay, Frankenstein might be a little spooky, but more than anything, I think he's a classy gentleman. I have never had one interaction with him that wasn't perfectly charming. Cheers to you, Frankenstein. Well, I guess he's Frankenstein's monster, technically. All right, let's zoom out to City Walk to grab a bite and catch up on life. We have a lot to chat about. Stick around. Made quite the splash at HHN this year, I've heard. You guys a fan? Back in City Walk here, walking to get some food, but I just can't help but feel like such a sense of privilege right now to be able to come here, to live close enough to just come here casually on a weekday. I mean, I even work later today, not until the evening, but how crazy is that to be able to just bop over for a couple hours, get some self-care theme park vibes, and then get on with my day. It's kind of the bomb. The real question is, what to eat? So many options. It's like everywhere you look. I don't hate it. Is it just me, or does he look kind of hungry? Maybe the reason he's always cranky is because he just needs lunch. I relate to that level of hanger, my man. Oh, he's cute. See that guy? Very nice. Okay, up at City Foods, some good options up here. Definitely a little more affordable too. Now I have to decide. Is it you? Okay, we're going with Old Faithful. Firehouse never does me wrong. Oh my goodness, who can say no to this guy? I think he might have partied a little too hard, or maybe just enough. All right, what do we have here? Got the club on a sub with a pickle on the side, of course, for good measure. I went for the small size because there's one other thing I gotta get my hands on before I leave. All right, Firehouse subs always hit the spot for me. Like I said though, I got a small size because there's one more thing I gotta get my paws on. Yeah, you might know what it is already. Yep, can't not. Choices, decisions. Oh, they got Halloween flares. Look at this guy. I was about to grab one of my Old Faithful flavors and then I saw that they had Halloween ones. Of course, I had to grab something seasonal. I got the Mummy. I think it's like chocolate on top, raspberry in the middle. Chocolate and raspberry is like my favorite dessert flavor combination, so this had to happen. Let's taste it though. Messy but good. So this is really crazy. Instead of there being like a raspberry jelly filling on the inside, it's like a raspberry frosting, if you can see that. That is so good. It's amazing. I'm a fan of the Mummy. Look at him. He's not messing around. So while I was eating my donut, it was super delicious by the way, one of my favorite food influencers walked by. I had to say hi. I'm sure I made a huge fool of myself because I have no chill, but it just felt like kind of a sign like, oh, I was supposed to be here today, and that was the best. It really is pretty incredible who you run into when you live here, but that was a really good one. So I thought I'd take a second to fill you guys in on what's going on in our lives. Life is lifing right now. The month of October has been fully unhinged, fully crazy. Isaac is in the last semester of a program, a grad school program he needs for work to kind of build on his work life, and he's finishing up a final project for that. So it's super intense, super time consuming, but he's close to the end, so we're cheered him on. So we've taken a few weeks off of filming, some of it intentional, some of it not, just a lot has happened. I know Isaac had a trip, kind of a whirlwind trip up to Alaska to go see some of his family that live up there, which was a really worthwhile thing to do. And as he was coming back, my parents made an impromptu visit to LA to stay with us. They had another trip planned that had to be canceled last minute. But between that and just some other unexpected things going on in our lives, we just had to take a little break from going out and filming, which is why I just wanted to jump on today and just say hey and do a chill vlog. But the lack of videos is not representative of lack of ideas. We have more ideas than ever, especially after taking a few weeks off. We keep talking about the videos we want to do next, and to be honest, some of them will be a little more time consuming, especially ones that would fit into a series. But once Isaac wraps up this program, which should be by the end of the holiday season, we're gonna have a lot more free time on our hands to film and to kind of see these ideas through to fruition. So we're super excited for that. If you're excited, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, but also hit the red subscribe button so you can come along with us on all of our LA foodie adventures, especially as we jump into the new year. And don't worry, we'll be covering the holidays. It's our favorite season. We really do love the spooky season here, but push comes to shove, we're much more holiday elves than Halloween gremlins. Well, friends, I just want to thank you for all the love and support. I'm back at my car, which means I guess that's the end of the vlog. But until I see you here next time, just want to say cheers.